Yo, 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 yo. What it do, family? So, we did what we did on Thursday. Thursday, I entered out of my session after 11 a.m. Both times that I sort of crashed out, lost trades, and the last eval, both times, was trading out of my session. And I was $300 away from passing my account. $300 away from passing my account. And I blew it, bruh. I blew my account. It's wild. I traded out of my session and I lost 300. Who cares? I would have passed my account still in one day. I couldn't take the loss. I could not take the loss. And I spazzed out and I blew my account, bro. It's ridiculous, dog. I have no excuse. I don't even like I can't even explain it. It's ridiculous. It reminds me of lust, right? It reminds me of like when we're all of us men are trying not to fap, and then you see something that triggers you on social media or wherever, and then you catch yourself still doing what you don't want to do anymore. That's what it reminds me of the most, you know? Like any desire, any lust, any vice, it's the same thing, right? So so what we're gonna do this time around, we're gonna go back to Top Step Ski, right? Because the main reason I don't trade Top Step is because um because they don't let you have 5 live accounts. So like why even build one live account with them if I want 5, 10 accounts, right? But gotta walk before you run. And one beautiful thing about Top Step is they always pay. They try to get you with that hedging shit if you try to do micro scalping, but I don't micro scalp. And um and they have the best risk management like structure. I mean like program. I could put 2 trade max day. And after I click the button buy or sell twice, that's it. That's it. It locks me out for the rest of the day. That's amazing. That is an amazing tool. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're back at Top Stepski. And honestly, I was looking at their live account things that they do, like how they work with their traders, their live account traders. And it's pretty fire, bro. It's pretty fire. You know, max pay, like you get paid out as much as you make, 90/20 split. Like it's pretty lit, bro. It's pretty lit. I'm not even gonna lie. That's pretty fire. I like that a lot. Um, but yeah, man. Yeah, man. 50K account to a million. Let's go look at the charts. Here we are. I want my no watermark, no text and lines, crosshairs. I want my crosshairs to be at least this color. Yes, please. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. There you go. So there's my higher high, uh, over high, and then unfortunately we have a gap around right here. We'll see. Let's see what the move is in 5 minutes. That's ES, MGC, MGC, C ski, MGC, CC. As of right now, we're bullish, but we're not bullish at all. So I would want it to break this market structure right here and then be bearish. I get to break this. And then if it breaks this and it goes down to the downside, obviously it needs to leave a gap and all that good stuff. I don't ever have my A plus set up here at Top Step, bruh. Do I? Oh no, I don't. Dang, I gotta bring my A plus setup over here, man. I gotta bring my A plus setup over here, man. Oh, I have it written right there. What am I doing? I don't need this. Whatever. All right. A plus setup. How do you put the dot? M15 market structure. This freaking where to put my number at, dog? These freaking spammers are always calling a nigga, bro. M15 supply demand push gap and push M515. 1 minute breakout. Exit. Enter. Off. Break. Okay. We don't really need the enter off channel break. It's really these four M15 gap in the push, supply demand push, gap in the push, 1 minute breakout. Strategy is so simple, bro. Exit partly on level. I was using the levels a lot, even when I was here. You see that, but I don't use them at all anymore, bro. At all. S&P now skis. Yeah. Let's see, 2 more minutes. Is there a gap around a 5 minute? Nah. Hopefully it comes and taps into this gap, but then it wicks all the way back up here. And we get our entry from here up. I'm gonna enter with full contracts on MES. Like I'm not gonna do micros on MES. Just do 2 full contracts. just draw the same thing on it. I gotta trade micros, bro. Am I a coward? I feel like one MES contract is fire. But then what if I want to enter with like 15? And I don't want to enter with 2 whole contracts. Instead with 15 micros. Ooh, market open, market open, market open. Bro. I don't know. Okay. Well, we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated on what ends up happening. We have CPI news on Wednesday. So we'll see if we don't just trade consolidation today. We will see, man. Um, so that is the trade, folks. That is the trade. That is our trade for the day. Let's see how it plays out. I'm gonna go take a leak. I'll be right back. Yo, 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 what it do? We back at it. You know, we had a minor setback last week. We made mistakes, but we're coming back Monday morning. I'm not a fan of Mondays, but F it. We're going to take this trade. We took this trade. Check me out. So right here on ES, we have our 15-minute market structure, supply push. We have a gap under our higher low. It came in and tapped that gap and rejected off of it. 9:46 in the morning. We took it with 15 micros on top step. And our take profit is 20 points up. Doing pretty good right now. Hopefully we see all the follow through. Um, I'm gonna lower my risk to about right here. All right, that's lowering my risk right there. I don't see a reason why I should come back all the way over there. Um, the reason that we went back to top step is because of this right here. So before I even trade, I could set 2 maximum trades a day before I even take a trade. So this is gonna help me out a lot because I was being super disciplined last week, extremely disciplined. Um, and there was no reason for me to go through what I went through. And if I would have had that setting, I would have gone through that. So, shout out to Top Step. Let's see how this plays out. So much anxiety over one candle, bro. It's so stupid, bro. It's so stupid, dog. Just follow through, bro. So dumb, bro. Whatever, dude. Whatever, bro. Look at that stupid. Why would it do that stupid shit right there? Why would it disrespect me like that, bro? Look at that. It's about to stop us out, bro. It's literally about to stop us out. It stopped us out, bro. How fucking stupid, bro. How ridiculous, bro. How ridiculous, bro. That's fucking ridiculous, bro. That's actually some bullshit. That's actually some bullshit. No. Oh my god, bro. Bruh. We're about to get smoked out of our fucking funded, bruh. So, bro, so you can see how stupid trading is sometimes. So, right when we dragged our stop loss up, it came down and just tapped it. You see that? And now it's going back, luckily. And by mistake, I freaking re-entered in the same exact place. I'm not really a fan of that re-entry right there, but whatever. It's giving follow through. So hopefully we see full follow through, and it's not consolidation Mondays. Um, yeah, man, we'll see. That's the second trade of the day, so that's it. What happens with this trade is we're locked out. My guy, don't you dare do it again, bro. Don't you dare do it again, bro. Bro, don't you dare do the same shit again, bro. On God, don't you dare do the same shit again, bro. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Yo, so I manually exited just now. I manually exited this fucking ridiculous bullshit happening right here. Right? I manually exited. I don't care where it goes. I don't give a damn. Look, so we're locked out. 374 loss for today. Whatever, dog. I don't even care because I'm not cool with this, bro. I'm not cool with this 15-point pump and then 15-point regression and then 15-point pump and then 15-point regression. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. It's all good, bro. Whatever, dude. Well, that's the trading day, folks. So today, so look, Monday, 10 a.m. I have to pay my whatever. Tomorrow, BOE Getty speaks. That's GPY. And then Wednesday we have NFP. What the fuck? Oh no, that's next week, bruh. I mean, that's last week. Today was fine. Tomorrow was fine. We have CPI, 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 CPI. Core PPY, whatever that means. GDP. All right, family. Well, that is trading today. It was fast. 30 minutes. We're down 300. It's fine, bro. Mondays are always suspect. Honestly, I always lose Mondays. I told my girl, I was like, I don't think I should trade Mondays anymore Um, I think it's the eval, so eval is like whatever, but I think regardless, I shouldn't trade Mondays. I think Mondays are like Sunday open. It's like, it could go your way. I've had Mondays where I win, sure. But I feel like the best trading days are Tuesday through Thursday, bro. From my experiences. Those are the days that I win the most. I've had some bomb Fridays though, bro. But my best days are Tuesday through Thursday. So I think we're gonna call it quits on Monday, bro. I think we're done on Mondays. There's no point. If I'm gonna come in here just to lose, what's the point, right? There's no point. Mostly if there's news on Wednesday. Tomorrow's probably gonna be suspect too, man. We'll see. And then Wednesday, worst day to start the eval, right? At least we only lost 300. We risked two bands. We risked two bands. Because first trade, the top loss was a band. The second trade, the stop loss was a band. But we managed our trades and we only lost 300 something. It's cool, man. Tomorrow's another day. Let's get it.